Hello everybody, this is Watermelon Dylan and I'm back with another video. Well, this is a question that most users often ask themselves after using their computer for a while. Why do my PC take such a long time to boot up? Well, I have a simple answer to this. Okay, one of the problems will be because we have too many programs that are starting up by default. So I'd like to show you the overview of what I'll be doing in this video. So first, I'll be showing you how to disable the startup apps that start up on default. So for example, apps like Discord, apps like Spotify, how do we disable it? And then how to enable a certain app to start up when you start up your computer. That is, for some people, they will like convenience. So I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so now the solution to the problem that we just talked about on why is our PC taking such a long time to load, it's pretty simple. So first, you just need to configure those apps to not start out on default. Certain and disable unnecessary apps that you don't really use when you first start your computer. So 3 ways you can actually accomplish this task. First is through the startup app in Windows. Another way is through Task Manager. And the last way is through, we use the run.exe and then we type in a small command and it will bring us to the File Explorer folder, one of the folder in the File Explorer, so that we can paste in the shortcut of our programs and run it so that it will start on default. Okay, so I've been rambling quite a lot, so let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I mean by the programs that start on default, but first I'll just show you what are the programs that will start on default. So programs like Spotify and Discord will start up by default. So let me just restart this machine. Okay. And then you will see that when I restart the machine, the two programs that start out on default will be Discord and Spotify. And then after that, I'll show you how I disable them using one using the startup app and the other one is using the task manager in the startup tab in the task manager. So I'll first log in. Okay, it will take a while to load to start up the programs. Okay, so you can see that Discord is starting up, and you can and you can also see that Spotify will take a while. So it's loading up. Okay, so it's up. So these two programs will start up by default. And you can see it took me approximately 1 minute before everything start loading up smoothly. So now I will show you how to use first the startup app to, let's say, disable more of the apps first. Okay, so press the Windows key or click this Windows icon. Okay, and then just type start up. Okay, you can just type start first. Okay, I will just zoom in a little bit. Okay, and then you'll see that here the first option, when you type start, the first option will be your startup app. Okay, click it and it will bring you to this very beautiful page with quite a nice graphical interface. So very simple, all you need to do is, for example, you don't want Spotify to start up the next startup, just disable it, the on off switch. Okay, so disable it, and after that you can just close the page. Okay, now obviously the app is still here, I'm just gonna leave it open. So now let's go to Task Manager to disable the startup for Discord, for example. This is another way you can do it. So Task Manager, there are about 3 ways you can do it. One is pressing Ctrl Shift and Escape. This will bring you to Task Manager. Another way is just typing Task Manager here. You don't even need to type the full thing. It will also bring you here. Another way is press Ctrl Alternate Delete. Ctrl Alternate Delete. Okay, it will bring you to this page, and then oops, sorry, went out of screen. Okay, it will bring you to this page, and all you need to do is to look for Task Manager. It's over here. Click it. So up to you. These are the 3 ways that you can go to Task Manager. Okay, so in Task Manager, let's just maximize this tab. Okay, I will talk about the other tabs in future videos if you all would like to know more. Okay, let's go to the Startup tab over here. In the Startup tab, you can see, I'm going to zoom out so you all can see. You can see roughly the same layout, just that maybe the graphical user interface is not so good. Okay, so all you need to do is, for example, I don't want my Microsoft OneDrive and my Discord to start up. Over here, you can see the status, enabled. So you can see that just now I disable the Spotify with that startup app. So the status over here is disabled. Okay, so all you need to do is to select the program. Okay, so for example, if I want to disable Discord from starting up, select Discord, click it, and then go down here, and you'll see a disable here. It's at your extreme right, and then click disable. Same for OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive. If you don't want it to start up when your computer starts up, click this, and then click disable. Okay, so to double check, you can see that the status of all this will be disabled. Okay, critical programs like, for example, your graphic card, Windows security, for this case will be my VMware tools. All these things, you will see more things in your Task Manager, like your graphic card, your audio device and stuff. Please do not disable it. Certain things you might need it to start up so that your computer can run properly. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, without closing all these programs, okay, I'm going to restart the computer. So I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to restart my computer. Okay, you'll see that not all the programs that I disabled will not start up by default. Okay, okay, so my computer has boot up. So let's just type in. Oops. Okay, after I log in, you realize that none of the program is starting up. Okay, see, nothing is starting up. Let's just wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, okay, now, so if you see nothing has started up, the computer seems to be very fast. It's a good thing. Okay, so let's say now you are a web designer, and for example, you want Photoshop or any of your developing apps to start up when you start up your computer, so you don't need to have a hassle of going to your start menu and typing it every time. So what can we do? So I'm gonna use Paint as an example. Okay, you can use any apps that you want. It works the same way. So first, you can just press the Windows key, or use your mouse and click this Windows icon. Okay, let me look for Paint. So I'm just going to type Paint, and then I'm going to this is the app that I want it to start up when the next time I start it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to look for Open File Locations is the second option. Okay, click it, and it should bring me to this folder. In this folder, I want to copy the Paint shortcut. Okay, so all I need to do is click this and Okay, click it and right click it and then go look for copy, or you can do Ctrl C. It's up to you. Okay, remember after you copy this shortcut, I need you to open the run.exe. So you can either go to the menu here, the Windows menu. So either click the icon here or press the Windows key on your keyboard, type run. This will bring you the menu, I mean the run.exe, or you can press Windows plus R. Okay, and I need you to type in this command, shell:startup. Shell:startup. Okay, after you type the shell:startup, you can either click OK or press enter, up to you. Okay, it should bring you to this folder, and if you do not have anything in this folder that make it start up, it should be empty. So what you need to do is, just now we copied the shortcut, right? Now we just need to paste it. Either press Ctrl plus V or right click and paste, up to you. Okay, right click and paste. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna restart this computer. Okay, so let's restart it, and then you'll see that later you'll see that Paint will start up when you start up your computer. Okay, let's just wait for a while. Okay, let me just key in my password. Oops. Okay, so let's just wait for a while. Okay, you see that Paint boot up, right? Okay, one thing I will want you to note is, let's say it's been a while and then after a while you just realize that, okay lah, I don't want my Paint to start up. You can use the same way to disable it. Okay, let's use the task manager way. So Ctrl Shift and Escape, and it should bring me to the page over here, and then let's look for startup. Okay, and you'll see that there's a app here which is Paint. Okay, and if it's enabled, so if you want to disable it, same way, just press disable. Where's my screen? Yeah, okay, just press disable over here. Okay, you can also check the startup app. Okay, I personally haven't checked if it's gonna be there when I enable it, but so and so is here. It's in the startup app also. Okay, you can also disable it through the startup app. Okay, I show you many different ways because I think that everybody has different preference of how they would like to do things. If you have any questions to this video, feel free to drop a comment down in the comment section. And also, if you have any videos that you want me to do, feel free to drop in a request there. If you'd like to see more videos just like this and you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload a video. And if this video helps you, please drop a like to show me some support. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.